Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of Konamawian. And this week was very packed. I got a lot of things done, and one of those was I finally completed the TypeScript crash course that I was taking. This is the one, Learn TypeScript, full course for beginners. I learned a lot even though it's only a 2-hour tutorial, and I truly recommend it. I really learned a lot, and I really enjoyed using AI to ask questions whenever I was a little bit doubtful, and the documentation from TypeScript is amazing. So it's very useful. I learned a lot, and now what I'm going to do is I want to supplement what I learned, and it's going to be by taking this tutorial of building a Google Drive clone. Now here's the thing, I'm not a fan of doing tutorials. I like to build things from scratch, but the thing is, the reason I want to do this crash course is because one, it's only 3 hours long, and is using Clerk, Drizzle, and SQLite, which are 3 technologies that I've never used. So I'm very interested in taking this tutorial because it's using TypeScript, it's Next.js, and Tailwind, React, which is basically what I've been studying for the past year now. So what better way to get my hands with TypeScript and learning at least 3 more things as I go into this journey than with this tutorial. And then the other thing that it has is that once the tutorial is over, I think it gives you room to improve the project. It actually has, when you go to the documentation of this project, it gives you like more things that you can add. So I might be able to add more things and make the project my own. So let's see how it goes. But I'm very excited, and on Monday I started learning with this tutorial. And the other thing that I'm doing is I started reading this book, the Software Engineer's Guidebook, and I'm doing it before going to sleep, and I'm actually learning a lot. It's not like a technical, like you're learning how to code. It's more of a mindset of a software engineer, like what to expect, how to get things done. And it has like different sections and stuff, and I'm already like 60 pages in, and I'm actually enjoying the material. And I'm still a fan of hard copies. I was gonna buy like the PDF version, but I'm like, I like to grab the book. So I'm that old school still. I like grabbing my books. But yes, I'm using this book as a source to like understand a little bit more how to think as a software engineer. So the other thing that I wanted to show you guys is I finally made the decision to become a volunteer for Code and Coffee. You guys know that I love this meetup. It's my favorite meetup of all. And I was speaking with one of the organizers, and they told me, Izzy, you don't want to join us? Like, you're always with us. And I was like, you know what? Yeah, I'm ready. I want to join this organization that has done so much for me. And the only way that I can get back is being a part of it. I'm already a part of it technically because I'm always helping. And if they need help or photos taken and stuff, I'm always willing to do it. But you know what? Let's make it official. And tomorrow we have a meetup at a new location, and I'm very excited. So I hope to see you there if you are going to. By the way, for those that don't know, I'm from New York City. So this Code and Coffee meetup takes place all over the country. We are in like over 35 different cities, and I'm in the one in New York City. So if you are interested in joining a meetup, check for the official page for Code and Coffee to see if there's one in your city. And that'll be interesting, right? And now let's talk about Chatter. So I didn't do anything other than I added the documentation. So I made sure to make this look professional and legitimate. So I added the key features, the tech stack, everything that you need to know about the project is here in the documentation. So I made sure to polish it and make it look as amazing as possible. And then what I did was yesterday, I did a project demonstration. So here it is. It's 9 minutes long, and it's crazy. It's a 9-minute long video that took me 4.5 hours to make because I had to do a lot of cuts and stuff to make it look as decent as possible. So if you really want to get a full tour of everything that this application has, I truly recommend for you to go to my YouTube channel and look for the project demonstration Chatter. And that's what I did. And then in addition to that, I added it not only on the repo. So if you can see the repo, I don't have the YouTube link. I have the Vimeo. And the reason I have the Vimeo instead of the YouTube is in case this video gets a certain amount of views, if there's an employer that wants to see the project, he or she won't have to wait for ads. So Vimeo blocks ads, doesn't have them. So it helps me show my project without interruptions, which is what I want. And yeah, this is basically all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.